If you don't see the content you want on your TikTok account, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end, because I'm exactly going to show you how to change your For You page on TikTok. Now TikTok shows you videos based upon the interactions that you make. So for example, if you watch a particular video throughout the length, TikTok algorithm gives you more of these videos. So now if you see a certain kind of video that you like on your TikTok For You page, then what you can do is you can watch the video entirely, and then you can also give this video a like. You can keep doing this for any of the videos that you find interesting. And when you find some video that you don't like, you can simply tap and hold the screen and then tap on not interested. Now similarly to liking the videos, you'll also need to do this for a couple of videos. And after you keep doing this for a couple of days, you'll notice that your TikTok For You page will start to show videos that you are interested in more. So I hope you guys liked and found this video interesting and helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.